Hello and welcome to this video in which you will look at adding and using extensions in your Google Slides and Docs. I am Kyle Krenz, a Technology Integrationist with SWWC. Google Slides and Docs have a number of great features and tools embedded right into the application. However, it may not have all the tools and features you are looking for. Within Google Slides, you are able to add extensions to the application, allowing you to unlock additional tools and features from third-party applications. To do this, go to your Extensions tab from the top menu. Then go down to the Add-ons option. A side menu will open in which you can select Get Add-ons. Once selected, a window will open in which you can search for your third-party applications that you can add as additional features to your Google Slides or Docs. Once you have found your needed third-party tool, click the Install button. You will then need to give it permissions to join to your Google account. Please make sure that these applications meet the Minnesota Data Privacy Law, especially if students are directly interacting with them. Once added, your newly installed add-ons will show up under the Extensions tab in the menu of options. You then can click on the name of the add-on to access its tools and features to make additional changes and edits to your created docs or slides, allowing your slides and docs to become more interactive and engaging for both yourself and your students. In this video, you have learned how to add extension add-ons to your Google Slides and Docs. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.